Hello everyone. So as you may have known or heard or seen, I have officially launched my Ultra Hydrating Night Cream. Now this is something that I completely cherish. I put literally my heart and soul into this. I have done so much research for the past 3-4 months on just what's amazing for your skin, what's really hydrating, what's really moisturizing, extensive research, and just planned for this for so long. So I'm so excited that it's finally done because I absolutely love everything about it. Is amazing. So I want to go ahead and show you guys exactly how to use it and exactly what I do, because I have been using this for a little bit, because obviously I wanted to test it out first and I wanted to be really confident and really proud of what I made before I showed it to you guys and before I made it available for you guys as well. So this is what it looks like. So a little bit about this product is that I managed to find a lot of ingredients that have like vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and just put them all together into one container basically, so that it's super nourishing and very amazing for your skin. Because this is something that I, for example, use, and I have really high standards when it comes to skincare. So I wanted to make sure that what I use is the same exact thing that you guys are going to use as well, because I need my skincare to be perfect before it lands on my face. When you put it on, it's going to be a little bit kind of like an oily texture to it. It's going to melt on your face. So this is what it looks like kind of on the inside. It's like a creamy feel going on, and then once you apply it to your face, it automatically melts so that your skin then can pretty much soak it up and drink it and really hydrate it. I put this on every single night. I only put a little bit, but a little bit really goes a long way. I'll put it on my face and on my neck. I'll rub it into my the corners of the eyes, because that's exactly where you get like first signs of aging. Definitely care for the corners of your eyes, because that's super important. Here goes nothing. I have already taken off my makeup with my makeup remover towelette that is also available on my site. I'm now ready and prepped to put on my makeup. So then I'll go in and put some on my neck to really just hydrate everything. Fun fact, your neck actually and your chest piece right here is the same type of skin, give or take, that is the same on your face. So definitely want to care for it exactly how you care for your face. So this is kind of what it looks like. It's a little bit shiny, like I said. It'll be kind of like an oily texture. Like if you put your finger on it, it'll definitely slide off. And this is actually like the most crucial part, because of the fact that it is a little bit more on the oily side, for example, and if you don't like that, that's perfectly fine. I made this for a mask purpose and leave on cream if you wanted to. So if you don't like the oily feeling, you could leave this on for about 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, and then wipe it off. Or you could leave it on overnight for maximum hydration. I personally leave it on overnight because I don't really mind the oiliness of it at all. It's really not that oily, but I know that some people like really despise that. I absolutely love it because it feels like my skin is just like drinking water, basically. So I don't mind it at all. I love that. So sometimes I'll even go wild and I will put this on my lips because it's really nice and moisturizing. So I'm gonna have a cut on my lip too, so this is perfect. And then sometimes I'll even go in and I'll put it on my cuticles as well, on both my hands and my feet, because it is very nourishing. I'll put it on my cuticles, I'll put it on my lips, elbows sometimes even my knees. It's just really good. There you have it. That's exactly what it looks like the next day when I wake up, because I do leave this overnight. It's completely soaked up. There's nothing on my pillow, no residue anywhere. My skin literally drinks up this whole entire product, and I just feel very awakened. My skin feels very nourished, very moisturized, soft, and just the best way that I could really describe it would be as if my skin just drank a big gulp of water. Yeah. That's the best way that I could describe it, because especially being in this Miami heat weather, my skin need this. So I really formulated this to both tailor guys and girls of all ages and of all skin tones, of all skin types as well. So this is something that literally anybody could use as something that could really help you at night and just repair your skin, replenish it, nourish it, all the above. Everything in here is completely organic, completely natural. It's made of shea butter, beeswax, almond oil, eucalyptus oil, and tea tree oil. That's literally it. This is absolutely amazing. I'm so glad that I made it, and I would love for you guys to try it and let me know what you think, because I absolutely adore it. Absolutely adore this, and I'm so happy of what I created. I don't think I could have created anything better, to be completely honest with you. It's amazing, and try it out.